A measles outbreak in Sussex, New Brunswick has grown to 3 confirmed cases, with 5 more likely to be positive for the virus. It comes as cases were recently reported in 2 other maritime provinces. CTV's Avery McRae has more on the outbreak in New Brunswick.
Just 2 years ago, a mere 12 cases of measles were reported across Canada. It's a vast difference to where we are now when you look at the province of Alberta alone, which has seen more than 1,300 cases since March. And the latest outbreak in our region is also showing no signs of slowing. 24 hours after declaring an outbreak with 2 confirmed cases in the Sussex area, Regional Medical Officer of Health Dr. Kimberly Barker told reporters today the outbreak has grown to 3 confirmed cases. There are also 5 more probable to test positive in the days ahead, and an unspecified amount of people being monitored. As for who and how people are contracting the virus, public health isn't saying.
If I was to start describing the age groups or the gender or the geographical location specifically, I think that risks identifying people as we get more numbers. If we get more numbers and we hit a number that we feel more confident that privacy wouldn't be necessarily compromised, we would then share that with you.
Around 70 people received a jab this weekend at local vaccine clinics. According to school immunization records, about 90% of those living in Sussex are vaccinated for measles. While no one would speak on camera, a few residents told me today they aren't too worried about the outbreak, especially with many of them having the vaccine. Some measles symptoms include fever, cough, runny nose, and tiny white spots in the mouth. If you believe you may have caught the virus, public health says not to go to the ER.
Coming into an emergency department where we know that waiting rooms are often very, very busy means that you're posing a huge risk of contaminating and infecting staff and other patients. What we're asking is that you call 811 to seek advice.
On top of this new outbreak, measles cases have recently been reported in both Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island. It was just a week into 2025 an outbreak of measles was declared over in the Fredericton, Upper St. John River Valley area. Over the final 2 months of 2024, the virus infected 50 people, many of whom were aged 19 or younger. Avery McRae, CTV News.